Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm so excited to share this special unboxing for you guys. Now, this is not the actual unboxing. I've already unboxed it because my hubby brought this gift during our celebration. It's like a small celebration at a cafe with my daughter and it's our wedding anniversary and he just brought this under the stroller and then yeah, he showed it to me there. Luckily the cafe was there wasn't much people. Actually there were no people there. It was like the best timing for it, so it was a really really nice special intimate time and it was great and we just had a nice talk. I had reflected on our relationship, on during the times, the struggles we had and how far we've gone. So it was really really great and yeah, this one is special. Although there are concerns about this bag because even my hubby was shocked that it got a bit a hit on the way here because he did order this overseas. And when it arrived, he checked it and unfortunately it was a bit deformed just because there was no protection much of it. And although I didn't know that it could be this much deformed, it was still fine because it was still a beautiful bag and I am so excited to share it to you guys. So it is partial unboxing, but and I'm not gonna I don't know if maybe you guys wanna guess. It's not in this box, but he did place it in this box just for show. And so here is the bag. So as you can see, here's the deformity of it. Actually, I'm kind of fine because this size is like my everyday size. So this is my everyday size. It's just a size 30. So this is a Birkin 30 inspired bag. Of course, it's not the original one, but it's still leather. That's why I'm happy about it. And although we do have the controversy with China and all the effects of that, we are not really bothered by it, especially since we're people who really go through our lifestyle, especially my lifestyle. I really go out, just me without any protection details and everything like that. So I'm quite happy with this as a perfect everyday bag. And I know it's a bright color for it to be an everyday bag, but for me, I actually like wearing a lot of neutrals, especially nowadays. And with this pop of color of hair, I think that it's perfect to have a nice neutral bag or I mean a nice neutral outfit and then just have the bag shine on its own. So this is the bag. So this is the deformity. I actually already put a organizer inside so just to make sure that it doesn't deform as much anymore, but I'm still not bothered because it's so beautiful. So it does have 4 feet and yeah, like I said, there are still stickers on the feet that I have to remove. This one, I kind of thought or assumed that if he was gonna get me a bag, it was for surely an orange one, just because I've been looking for or been wanting an orange bag, and it's been a while since I got one. First orange bag that I got for myself. It was an orange Birkin in a 35. It's a big bag. It was my best work bag or one of my best work bags because I have one also in a red, but these are both PU leather. But these two bags have been constantly the best work bags that I've gotten ever since because it can fit a lot. It is durable. It of course is handheld, but you can put it at the crook of your arm. But just because since it's PU leather, it's light. I'm actually looking at it right now. It's a light bag. So when you put things inside, that's the weight that's gonna add up to it. But it's a light bag, so it wasn't an issue for me to have a really, really heavy bag. But of course, with this one, this is different because this one on its own, without anything inside, is already a bit of a heavy bag. Just because it is the real leather, it is real cowhide leather. So that's why that's like the concern. But I really thought about it, and if this is going to last longer, I would really be happy to have this bag. Now, the concern of this is I still keep it since it's still okay, it's still fine. I still keep that 35 even if it's a PU leather because it's a great beach bag. I like bright colors when you're going to the summer to the beach, and that one is like the perfect summer bag because it really stayed. Even the red one has more battle scars than the orange one because I had the red one first. But aside from that, it was such a great bag to use. Like it was with me on the construction side. It was with me through COVID. it was one of the best work bags that I had that I've been using even after COVID, even after a construction site, because it is a nice pop of color. Yeah, that was the story of that beautiful bag. That's why I still opt for I want an orange bag, an everyday bag. Okay, so I got a lot of the pieces out. So this one includes like a deflated pillow, so I guess that's like one of the reasons why this has been really badly deformed. So as you can see, this is Togo. Still an issue for me, the deformity here, but hopefully I can fix it up. But that's what you actually do with an everyday bag. You really use it a lot, so it does end up deforming. And since this is surely this is Togo because the graining is really evident, it's really plump and it's soft, so I'm sure that this is a Togo leather, so this one easily deforms, so that's like the concern. But it would be the perfect everyday bag because I wouldn't have to worry about it being, oh, it's deformed, or it's going to be you have to be careful using it because it's such a new bag. So there is my insert, my organizer right inside. And the best part about having a Birkin inspired bag is it has straps. Okay, so I got the straps assembled, and this one doesn't have stickers on them, but yeah, for me there's no issue with that. And of course, this is still leather straps as well. It's nice and soft but durable. It's thick. And after I roll it like this, I usually just put it back, and then of course I had this already placed here like that. And of course I'm going to remove the stickers, which is one of my favorite parts. And there's the bag. Now I will for surely wear this because I'm actually very excited to try and wear it this week because we're going out again, and I'm really happy about that. But yes, this is my new baby. Now it's super nice because, like I said, it's orange. It's a nice pop of color, and it's going to be perfect for a lot of my outfits because right now, fall is such a perfect time to add some color to a lot of your neutral outfits. So this is going to be the pop of color or a lot of my outfits. I can't wait to share them with you guys, and I can't wait to share my other bags and how I'm gonna style them this season. Now, and then this one is a beautiful, nice wedding anniversary present because it wasn't like a special before, but I guess it's just because it is what on my birthday, and this is the perfect pumpkin bag because it's orange and it's fall, and my birthday is the season of Halloween. So this is like the perfect month because our wedding anniversary did happen on the month of my birthday. So this is like the perfect bag and the perfect size. So I'm so happy about it, and yeah. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's a bit lengthy and I know there's a lot of stories about it, but I really do want to share them. Hopefully I get a yellow Birkin. I'm thinking of a 25 or probably a pink sakura, but that one I'm still thinking about if I should get it. Like it's still a different one, but I would like to get a red Birkin. I don't know yet if I want the 30 or 25 first, but I really would still like a red one. I think red one will be my possible repetitive color that I would repeat as in different styles or different sizes of bags, just because red is my color. It's my favorite go-to bag that I always wear. So I do have a couple of red bags that I think I've showed you guys before, and they're adding a bit more. So I'm so happy about it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe down below. Let me know if you guys were correct about the orange, or if you know what orange this is in the Hermes color collection. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!